How about when we're given area or volume and we have to find the other thing? Still using the chart. For example, some information about the volumes and surface areas of two similar prisms is given. Remember, when I see the word similar, I think make the chart. Prism A's volume is 54 cubic feet. Prism B's volume is 16 cubic feet, and its surface area is 12 square feet. Find the surface area of Prism A. Let's start by thinking when it's similar, we make the chart. So first, I'm going to set up E A squared V cubed. Now, they didn't give me a ratio like the other problem gave me. What they gave me are two volumes, volume of Prism A and volume of Prism B. With these two volumes, I can make my own ratio, but because it says volume, I have to put it in the V column. So 54 came first, 16 came after. I'm going to put it in that order, 54 over 16. Now remember what we do before we do anything. We try to reduce the fraction. Going to my calculator, I'm going to type 54 divided by 16, and right away I can do math, frac, enter, 27 over 8. So this equals 27 over 8. Now as soon as I have this reduced ratio, I always go back to the EE column. Remember, the EE is where we start. Start here. Can't do anything until we have the ratio for the EE. So I go from here all the way back to here. How do I do that? Well, remember, this was cubed, so to undo it, I do the cubed root. Cubed root of 27 and cubed root of 8. I can do that in my calculator if I need to. Cubed root is in the math menu, choice 4. Oops, I didn't type anything in there. Let's try that again. Math, 4, and then 27. Cubed root of 27 says 3. I also need the cubed root of 8, and that says 2. So I know my ratio reduces to 3 over 2. Now let's say I forgot to reduce this and I tried to take the cubed root of the original numbers, 54 and 16. See what would happen? Cubed root of 54. And I get a decimal. That would be really yucky to work with, and that's never going to happen. So if you see that, think about that. We didn't simplify our fraction first. Now that we have our scale factor, our everything else ratio, and being that what we need is the areas, the area is 12, find the area of Prism A, we're going to go here to our area column. That's going to be our focus because they're asking for the area. So to go from here to here, we square this. 3 squared, 2 squared makes 9 over 4. 9 over 4 will equal, now notice they gave us Prism B's volume or area. They gave us the second one. The one that was on the bottom is 12 square feet. So 12 will go second. Find the surface area of Prism A. Prism A was the one on top, so that's the one we don't know. I'm going to put an X there because I'm trying to solve it. This is the proportion we're trying to solve. Let's go from here. How do I solve a proportion? Cross multiply. I usually pick the one that has the variable in it first. 4 times x is 4x equals 9 times 12 is 108. And then to complete the solving, I need to divide both sides by 4, and therefore x equals 27. So what is the area of Prism A? 27 feet squared. Remember, area, square units.